Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram if it's not working on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up the Instagram app and maybe it's not loading or it's glitching or the camera's not working, just something weird about it, the first thing you can do, of course, is pretty easy, but just swipe up, close out of it, and open it back up again. See if that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, let's swipe down from the top right. And from here, toggle airplane mode on to disconnect from your internet, and then toggle it back off to reconnect to your internet. After you go through that step, if it doesn't work still, let's head into the settings app of your phone and check to see if there's an issue with a VPN. So tap on General here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on VPN and device management. And if you're currently connected to a VPN, try disconnecting from that VPN or deleting out the entire VPN profile. That should help. After you've done that, if it still doesn't work, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings and then tap on the General option towards the bottom. From here, all you need to do is scroll down and you can see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and you can go through and hit reset and reset your network settings. A lot of times this fixes the issue. Just enter your passcode and hit reset network settings. Now, if you still find that it's not working, let's check to see if it's an issue with the Instagram servers. So open up a web browser here and you're just going to type in "is Instagram down?" and then go to down detector, and you're looking for a big spike in reported outages. You can kind of see that there is one right now. If it's not working for you, it could be because the Instagram servers are down and you just need to wait till they're back up and running. Now, if you go through all these steps and it's still not working, the last thing I would recommend doing is going back into your settings here, tap on General, and then tap on iPhone storage. We're gonna find that Instagram app on here. So scroll down, find Instagram, and offload the app. This deletes out all the cache and temporary files for the app and force updates it to the latest version, but doesn't delete any of your information. After you go through all that steps, open up Instagram and it should be working normally.